Hi guys, everyone maintaining a YouTube channel. So, in a YouTube channel, how is making a videos for using for Windows 10 video editor option? So, how it is happening? So, how is it possible for adding video editor and how we can make the videos on the Windows 10 option? In the Windows 10, this will be coming to complete for this tracker channel. That mean by you can like comment on your particular channel. So, in this one, first search for here video editor. When you search video, automatic editor will be shown to the customers. In the video editor, select the new project. Select the new project. In this project, we can add by the images and videos. We can club and make the video also. We can make the comment from image and videos. So I can comment by image and videos. Just drag the position, and next to one, we can add the photograph. So photograph, you know that how you can add the photograph. There's a compulsory important will be adding by photograph option. So we can adding by photograph. Simple one. Select here everything. First of all, add your position here. Just you will keep it on mute. Also will be here. This all option. First you can play this. So this all will be playing here. The final one we can showing for in the option. Finally, you can click option, finish this video with high quality resolution, export. In this, select your proper folder. Why we can go to the proper folder? We have to option will be, I'll selecting for proper folder option. So, and one more option, same video we can use in multiple times. We can changing the first image also. That will be very possible on your particular option. Nothing to worry. We can add the any kind of options on your particular things. So in the Windows 10 video editor, very supportive. Suppose simple thing as exporting my file here. So I can open another video editor. So what happened? It will be closed. So editor will open only once. In between, you can adding something else like add the content. Suppose simple one, text is added. Okay. In this, add your text here. Text will be, I'm adding this option. Careful to watch. So what is the related content I'm adding for in this particular option? I'll go through this option. So here we can adding by the text option. So what are the text you can copy from here? In between, you can adding for text also, text and highlighted contents, everything possible. Not a big task. Done. Click for an option. Is a middle, is a header one, is a body one. These options are here. Everything. So here I'm setting for middle option will be selected. Click for done. Now finally, I'll go through the option will be selected here. So that will be copy, finishing video. And you have doubt will be there. Compulsory you can play the video. Then you can understand. So here will be everything is there. Here I have to missing for website link. We can add the website link anytime. It's not a big task. Copy the link. Text. Add the website link. So here, done. Same. Here, final link, finishing this video is a import. Done. You have to wait certain seconds. The make the video option will be here. Suppose, so this is I'm not flexible will be not there. Add some other test. Everything will be there. No worry about that option. You can add the BG music. Everything will be possible in this one. This totally free. These are totally free. No limit for particular seconds. You can making for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Everything will be editing on the video stem video edit option. So anyone make the videos. Some seconds are there. So every video. Suppose some people are no, I'm not give voice. So first you can give some text will be there. After that preparation. This video will be supporting for gaming purpose, food preparing, and everything. You can take the video from seconds. Everything will be attached. The videos on the particular option will be Windows 10 video editor option. This will be support moderately to people for YouTubers, the gaining for video making and upload by channel and earning money from YouTubers. So this will be supporting for here and you need the very patience required. So sometimes people asking, sir, how we can adding for welcome screen and end screen? This is a method will be follow some people and not give the much of editor software. So which editor is the better for YouTubers? Go with the Windows 10 video editor. So I don't have a Windows 10. So I have Windows 7 or Windows 6 will be there. Right. Windows 8 or Windows 7 is there. Go with the Microsoft Word and install by video editor. No worry about that. Everyone we will give the Microsoft Edge will be there. Application will be installed by the Microsoft option will be there. So no worry about that, the particular option. So this will be follow to make the option will be here to activate every option. So this will be used on video edit option. And here one more option is there. So I have using my own original voice is there. I have to remove that voice and add the another voice. You can add any voice will be here. Suppose here is there. See this. They will be playing. This will be completely mute. Why it is mute? I'll keep it on mute will be here. So they will be unmute. They will be start the option will be here. So in this mute, we can add the custom audio also will be available. Add file by here. So where you can download the file by YouTube option. YouTube will be providing free music where go to will be simple manage video. I'll show the option. So this is audio library. Watch the music, free music. You can listen and download it. No worry about that. No copyright issues. They will be provide free music, download and use the in this option. We can use virgin music and in a virgin music replace for another music also. This will be very flexible to users to make the videos on the Windows 10 video editor software. Any YouTube beginners, they will be support. If any were not using properly, you can ask me. I definitely will be support everything. You can trim and split. Every option will be there. 3D effects. So you select in this. If you are selecting any option will be there. So here, this will be every option will be compulsory will be in this. See this 3D effects. So what are effect you will require? So that will be you can give this. That all options are there in your particular things. So make it here and properly use and make the videos using for Windows 10 video editor option. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and ask me any kind of questions are required. I definitely support to my YouTube channel option. Thank you. Thank you very much.